In this video, we'll walk you through a detailed guide on how to use our extension effectively. Simply click the puzzle icon in the top right of your browser to open your extensions, then choose the Test Finder extension. Keep in mind, it will only work on the page with the list of centers. Enter the license key you received via email after completing your order. If you haven't received it, please reach out to us through our website for assistance. Then, click Activate to unlock the extension and get started. In the top section of the extension, you'll find the version number, so you can easily check which version you're using. The status section provides information about both the extension and the scanner's current status, as shown in the video. The scanner section allows you to control the scan start and stop, as well as set the scan interval, which is set to 30 seconds by default. The Auto Navigate to First Available Test checkbox will take you to the payment page and reserve your first available slot for 15 minutes. Be sure to complete your payment within that time to avoid losing your slot. The Test Centers filter box and date filters allow you to choose the centers and dates you want to include. Once you've made your selections, the scanner will only process those centers and dates. Simply click the Apply Filters button to confirm your choices. If nothing is selected, it will apply all by default. The Remove Filter button will clear any filters you've applied, while Refresh List will update the centers list. Next, let's move to the Click Helper section, where you can control the feature using the Start and Stop buttons. This section also includes 3 checkboxes that you can activate or deactivate. After your last click, press Find Test Centers to prompt the helper to click the Find Centers button on the screen. If you enable the Loop option, it will repeat the process. The Auto Scroll to Helper feature will randomly scroll within the page to help avoid blockers. The Advanced Settings section can be expanded to adjust the interval between each click, as well as the number of times the action is repeated. The default settings are recommended, but you're free to change them if needed. You can view the Progress section to see information about the loop counts and overall progress. The Next Click section displays a countdown to the next click. The timing is randomized by default within a range of -10 to +10 seconds. In the Activity Log section, you can view a detailed log of the scanner's activity. At the top right, the pill indicator shows the scanner's status. Hover over the info icon to see more details about what's currently happening. Let's start the Test Finder and see the extension working in real time. While you're on the page showing the center list, click the Start Scanning button to begin scanning and receive alerts when availability is found or if a CAPTCHA blocks the process. Once availability is found, the scanner will trigger a loud alert. The similar but shorter alert will also sound if a CAPTCHA is detected. As Auto Navigate to the First Available Test checkbox is not ticked on this example, it's not navigating to the center. Now, we'll filter some centers. The list will update, and you can pick the ones you want the scanner to watch. Let's select 2 centers, just left-click the names and hit Apply Filters. From now on, the scanner will only alert you for those centers. You can filter centers and dates to control what the scanner checks. Click the centers you want and press Apply Filters. If no filters are set, the scanner will check the entire list. If Auto Navigate is enabled, the scanner will go to the first available slot and open the payment and personal details form automatically. Next, you can start the Click Helper to run without being at your keyboard. When an availability is found, the Click Helper will stop after navigating to the slot, and an alarm will sound so you can come back and complete your booking within 15 minutes. Once you've started scanning, selected your filters, and started the Click Helper, the extension will do everything automatically. When you hear the alarm, take the necessary steps to complete your booking. You can also watch the countdown and see information about the scan within the extension.